It's a 2013 Nissan Maxima. With 4 doors and the heart of a sports coupe, the Maxima will take you places you never thought a midsize sedan could. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auxiliary audio input, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather bucket seats, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend remarks Nissan has done an excellent job on the styling. It's so much better looking than the car it replaces. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.